Let us try to rename them. Now first and foremost task is to click on geometry and display style, turn off the mesh, so that will be a bit easier for us, and turn on the edges as well, so that we can appropriately select the respected faces. Now in the given data from the respected publication or article, they have focused on the inlet boundaries only. Okay, I mean they have just given the velocity, they haven't mentioned anything about temperature of the air as well. Okay, so this is a very simpler general experiment what they have done. And the next thing is, they also haven't mentioned about any heat source in the model. So generally, you know, if you're considering any indoor environment, you might be having some heat sources. For example, there might be any lighting in the environment. Okay, there might be uh, you know, a kind of PC computer, okay, that generates heat. Even the occupants or the humans, we generate heat actually, right? So there are no heat sources in the model. Okay, we are just trying to, you can see there is no furniture or anything which is emitting heat over here, right? So these are the conditions what you have to remember so far. Okay, so the naming will be like, we just have to name the inlet, the outlet, the walls, ceiling and the floor. Clear? So these will be